Hello friends, in this video let's clearly talk about what is dense rank and its purpose with examples. In the previous video we talked about rank function and its purpose. So now even dense rank also similar to the rank function with a small difference. So based on the differences we need to see what is best for our requirement. So let me explain an example, then I'll go to a Postgre dense rank function. So I just exported the data of a table into Excel to explain the rank and dense rank. Then I'll apply the same function in the PostgreSQL and you'll get the same data. So if you see, this is the current table I have in my PostgreSQL database I just exported. So I have around 17 records if you see. Okay, so now I am going to provide a rank to each and every record based on the salary. So the people who has the highest salary will give the first rank, the people who has the lowest salary will get the least rank. So to give the highest salary, to get the highest salary as a first rank and to give the least rank to the lowest salary, I need to sort the data. So let me quickly sort the data. Okay, yeah, so I sorted here. Okay, now how to provide a rank here. So here first time I'm using rank function. This is a rank function. So next one is a dense rank function. Okay, now so when I go to rank, even the dense rank or rank both gives rank to each and every record. Okay, what is the difference? I'll talk about one by one. So ideally this is the first highest salary is the top rank, second rank, third rank, fourth rank, fifth rank, sixth rank, seventh rank, eighth rank, 9 and 9. See, if you see here, these two figures are same. Okay, so that is the reason why both get the same rank here. Okay, now ideally after 9 I should get 10, but when I use a rank function I will be skipping the rank here. 10th rank will be skipped because 10th already occupied. Now I will be giving a 11th rank here. Next 12, 13, 14, then again here if you see here 15 rank 2 records will come. You see here, next one is 17 rank. So when you get the same amount for 2 records, the next consecutive rank will be skipped. If you see the same salary for 3 employees, then the next 2 consecutive ranks will be skipped. So this is how the rank will work. So here I considered only salary. So if they ask for the location wise ranks, then I need to apply a different function. I'll talk about practically when I am in Postgres. Now let's come to the dense rank. The same requirement, how I am giving the ranks is same. When you have single value or a single record with the salary, you do not need to worry, you will get the same value. But in this case 2 records will get 9th rank, okay, but the next record will be getting 10th rank. So the 10th rank won't be skipped in the dense functionality. Next 11, 12, 13, next 14, both will be 14, next this is 15. Now you might have understand what is the difference. In the rank function, if 2 records or many records gets the same value, then that many ranks will be skipped. Okay, so this is what the difference between rank and dense rank. Let me quickly jump into a PostgreSQL and apply that. Okay, so now let's apply star command dense underscore rank. Okay, over order by sal. That's it, order by sal descending. Okay, next one is dense rnk. I'm just giving like this. Okay, so rnk, let me put this. Okay, rnk rank. Let's run this query. Yeah, if you see here, see 2 records got the same rank, but the immediate rank is 10. So if I apply the same for the normal rank, so let me remove the dense rank. Yeah, now you can see the difference between here and there. So let me remove the, not, this is RNK only, not dense. to understand the difference. Yeah, now right. If you see here, so this is the dense rank. After 2 9s I got immediately 10, but here in the rank functionality, after 2 9s I got 11. That 10th rank is kept here. So that's how my dense rank works. Now there is one more scenario. I need to provide a rank based on the location actually. So then I need to segregate the data based on the location. Then I need to give the rank to each and every record. So that time I need to use a partition. Okay, so let me simply use a partition here. Partition by location. If I run this second query, if I run this, 1 or 2 records might be having a first rank, but see, if you see here, these 2 records got 1 second. Oh, sorry. Let me remove dense rank from here, so normal rank from here. Okay, if I run this, now if you see here, these 8 records belongs to the India location. So data has been segregated based on the location and the ranks has been provided. If you see here, the similar way, so for these 4 records, data has been segregated for these records, and 4 records are ranked 1 2 3 4. And even this was USA also, the data has been segregated based on the location, and even these 6 or 5 records got down ranks actually here. So even again, when 2 people have the same salary, the same location, the rank will be segregated like that only. 1 1 2 and so on, it continues like that. There is no skip of the rank in the dense rank functionality. Now you know both. Now you need to decide how dense rank and how to use the dense rank and rank here, and based on the requirement, now you may need to think on what to use in your case. So that's all about it. So please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Also please like and subscribe for more technical videos. Follow me on Facebook for more technical videos. Thank you.